Most welcome to the NGICT Center, Digital Skills for Life. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through ICT scenario questions on Microsoft Access. Basically, Microsoft Access. We are going to be analyzing scenario questions that require a student to use Microsoft Access. And the question is here. Item 1, which is going to be a student's information management system created using Microsoft Access. And the scenario is here, saying that Chinyogoga Seed Secondary School has been keeping students' information in manual records, books for many years. As the number of students have increased, the school administration has experienced several challenges. Students' records are often misplaced, damaged, making it difficult to retrieve information when required. The class teacher also spends a lot of time sorting and searching through the records to identify day and boarding students, girls and boys, students in different classes and religion. Preparing reports for the head teacher, parents and the school administration has become slow, tedious and prone to errors. Concerned about these challenges, the head teacher consulted a fellow head teacher from a neighboring school. After discussing the situation, and the colleague recommended that Chinyogoga Seed Secondary School should adopt the use of ICT tools, particularly a database management system, to create, store, organize, retrieve, and manage students' records effectively and efficiently. To begin with this process, the senior class teacher has already collected the students' information and saved it in the support files folder called support files KSSS1 as students details.xlsx, and then the task. As an ICT student, you have been assigned to assist the head teacher and the school administration in designing a simple Microsoft Access file that will improve the storage, organization, retrieval, and management of the students' information. Use the support files folder called support files KSSS1 where necessary to complete the task that follow. Of course, I'll request that we begin by creating a folder on the desktop, and then we shall come right click, choose new, and then go straight to folder. Give this folder your name, like Subuga Gabi, with your index number 002, and then press enter. So we have our folder created here. Now we are going to check for the support files. We have already been instructed that the support files are here. So we see a support file called support files KSSS1. Now this support file has been given to us in a zipped folder. We need to first extract this folder into a normal folder and then get able to use it. So what we are going to do is to extract the zipped folder first. So right click on the folder and then choose extract all. Then it's going to give you the location where the support file folder is going to be created, and then click on OK. So it's going on the desktop, and then click on extract, and immediately on the desktop if the support file folder will be created. So even if you close this, you will see a folder which is created similar to the one that is zipped, but for it is not zipped, it's a normal folder. That when you double click on the zipped folder, you will see these files. So will be the case when you double click to open this folder that is not zipped, you will be seeing these files. Now we have been tasked that there is a file called students details in the support files folder called KSS that we should use. Now what we are going to do is to copy this file and then take it into our folder so that we can use it. Then paste it here like this. So we have this file that we can use, and it's here now. So we have been instructed to use this file and then create a database for the school. And what we are going to do is, of course, we are going to have the database created. We already have the information collected by the teacher, so we're just going to create the database now. Now that we already have the information here, it's going to be very easy for us. So we are going to come to the start menu and then type ACC so that we can open a Microsoft Access file like this. Click in the blank document. We can call this KSS database, and then we are going to click on the browser icon to locate a position where our folder should be placed. So it is on the desktop, then in a folder called Nsuvo Gagabi 002. So double click to open it, and then leave the file name as KSS and click OK. So the uniform resource locator here will be showing you where this file is going to be saved, and then you click on create. So a database has been established and it is here. So on the taskbar it's just minimized and it is found. Now we are going to import the work that is already in the Excel file that has been given to us into our Microsoft Access file. And now what we are going to do is to come to external data, then come to new data source, then click to get it from a file, and then choose an Excel file because the work is in an Excel file. Then come and find where the file, the Excel file, is here by clicking on the browse. Now that we have already transferred the Excel file from the support files folder to our folder, we are just going to go to the desktop, come to Nsuvo Gagabi 002, which is your folder or my folder, then come and choose the students details, which is the file that has been given to us, then click on open. And then you will see the file here with its uniform resource locator, and then click on OK. So they are going to ask the sheet where the file is located. Now when you come here, you're going to see that this Excel template is having only one sheet, and it is on this sheet that the table is located. So we shall leave it as sheet 1. Then we leave it as sheet 1, and then we click on next. Now it is this icon which is saying that the first row contains column headings. Yes, we need to select it so that These subtitles are taken as column headings, which are going to work as our field names in the Microsoft Access file. So we click on next. Then it's going to bring us here where we are supposed to set data types for every field. Now the student's ID field is going to be given a data type called short text because it is having KS001. KS are alphabetic letters, 001 are numbers. So because of the combination of alphabetic letters and numbers, we are going to give it as short text. Make appropriate data types for each and every field here and click next. Then after, should we let Access give us a primary key? I think it's not necessary because you already have a student's ID field which can work as a primary key. So we say choose my own primary key and then leave it as student's ID here. Don't choose the other field, and then you say next. And then we need to call this a sheet 1. No, we need to call this a students table now that we are dealing with the students. So we say finish and then we close. So immediately you're going to see, let's close table 1, and then you will see the students table here having been created. So when you double click here, you find the table here. You find the table created here. This marks the end of our video lesson part 1. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the NGICT Center. Part 2 has already also been uploaded. Go and watch it. Thank you.